Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Tacoma tire. Start by parking on level ground, setting the parking brake, and blocking wheels before loosening lug nuts. Use the jack points on the frame, jack the truck until the tire clears the ground, then remove lug nuts and swap the spare. Tighten lug nuts by hand, lower the truck, and torque them in a star pattern to the manufacturer's spec using a torque wrench. We'll cover tools and safety steps so you can change a tire confidently. Gather a lug wrench, jack, torque wrench, spare, and wheel chocks and wear gloves. Inspect the spare tire pressure and condition before mounting it, and position the jack under the specified frame point. Loosen lug nuts slightly before lifting, then fully remove them once elevated. Replace the wheel, hand thread lug nuts, lower the vehicle, and torque to spec in a star pattern. After installation, recheck lug nut torque after 25 to 50 miles to ensure safe driving. Store tools properly and repair or replace the damaged tire promptly. If you sense vibration, pulling, or unusual noises, stop and inspect wheel and suspension. Use a professional if torque specs are unknown or if the spare is temporary. Practice changing a tire at home to build speed and confidence so road.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.